Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this 3D train project on Scratch and I'm going to show you how it works. When I click on this switch, this train will start going around these tracks like this. And a sound will also play. And let's make it. So you have to take this track in the internet. So I'm going to show you how to draw the train. So go to paint a sprite. Just draw only the wheels like this. And then go to the selecting option and then copy it and paste it. And then keep it at the side of it and do it again and then keep it here and then select this full and then copy it and paste it, then this thing came and then put it down here. Okay. Then just duplicate this costume and now just draw something here. You can take any color you want. I'm going to take red and draw it here. Also it should have an outline, so I'm going to change it to red and to black. Okay. So I'm going to change it to, the outline should be 8. And then draw one more this rectangle here, also here. Now just duplicate this again. And then delete these wheels and that line which was here. Don't delete these two rectangles. Just take it till here. Just take this till here and then take this one till here. Then just reduce the length of it like this. Okay. Duplicate this costume. And then increase it a little bit and then duplicate this again and then keep it fully like this. And now let's do the program. So when the green flag is clicked, we'll just make it go to this position and then it should change the costume to 1, the wheels. So don't keep it forever. Just keep this repeat 10 times. So I'm going to keep it 5 here. So it should create clone and it should repeat it 5 times. Keep move one step, change y by 1 and now let's see how it's working. And see, it's coming a little bit like 3D. So just duplicate this, keep it down here and make it for 2. Now let's see. So we can't feel like the wheels are down there, so I'm going to increase this to 8 or any other numbers. So now we can see the wheels here. And now just duplicate this and then keep 3 here. Duplicate this, keep it down, keep it for 4. Duplicate it again, keep it down, and then keep it for 5. And now let's see how it's working. Okay, it's going like that. So now just duplicate it from here and just keep it here. Remove this one and then keep the upper one down here and this one here, and then keep it down here. And now let's see how it's working. So it's working like that. And now let's make the chimney. So I'm just going to duplicate this and keep it down so I know where I'm writing that chimney and drawing. So let me take the gray color and I'm going to keep I just don't want the outline, so let me draw the chimney here and keep it here. Then just draw some lines here like this. Draw one here and one here. Okay, and next just delete this rectangles and now let's make that chimney come there. So just duplicate this to switch costume to 6, that chimney. Okay, now let's see how it's working. Now the chimney is coming. So I'm going to make the train a little bit smaller to fit it in the track. So I'm going to change it to 50. Okay. But when I change the size smaller, the train doesn't look good. It's kind of very big. So I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to change this 5, 3 for everything like this. Let me do it for everything. Okay, now let's see how it's working. Okay, now this is okay. So now just go to costumes and just change it like this. And also one more thing you have to do, go up here and you must keep one show at the top here and hide at the last. So we are going to make the train move with this when I start as a clone. So this when I start as a clone is only for the clone. So when this costume is just showing here, this one will just stay here and the train will just go around. So it should hide. Okay, now I'm going to change its position to this position. So I'm going to delete this go to and take another go to. So its position is different now. And now it's starting from here. And now let's make the lever so it can make the train go around. So I'm going to paint one sprite. So I'm going to take the gray color without any outline and then just draw it here like this. And then take a dark gray and draw it in the middle here. And now let's take that stick which is there. So I'm going to reduce this outline and I'll just increase the outline and draw one line here. And now let's make that red thing which is here, the red circle. So I'm going to take red here and draw it here. And now just duplicate this. Go to this selecting option and this option here, I'm going to press it, then it's like off. So now here, just type a text here. Just type on in red color. and keep it here. And then take one black color and then write off here. And then keep it here. Okay. And then you just click on this text and then copy it and paste it here. Don't move it. And then just copy this off and then paste it here. And then you hit the lever. So then just keep it in one side like this. And then when green flag, click forever, and don't forget to go to block. So forever, if we click on it, it should change its costume. So keep an if block. And also one more thing, it should change to costume 2, which is the off. Then here just keep if touching mouse pointer. You should not keep only mouse pointer. So when we just when the mouse pointer is just touching here, and if we did not click it, it will just keep changing its costume. So just keep this mouse down. So go to operators and keep a AND block so that we can keep both of it. And then keep it here. Then it should change its costume. So I'm going to keep this. So when I click on it, it's kind of changing it faster. So just keep here, wait for 0.1 seconds. 0.1 is lesser than 1 second. So I'm going to keep 0.1. So it won't be that fast. So now we have to make one variable. So I'm going to delete this my variable and create one variable called on/off. And click on OK. And keep this in the forever block. Set on/off by costume number. So if this is the first costume, this will become 1 like this. So it became 2 because right now it's in the second costume. And now let's make this train go round. So in this, when I start as a clone, forever, if the variable is equal to 1, the first costume of this, the first one, this on, it should go around. To make that circle, move 10 steps, and then it should rotate. Keep -10 so that it will go left side. If we move 10 steps only, it will go on the right side. So it should go on the left side. So I kept it -10. And here I'm going to keep 5. Now let's see how it's working. So the train is going around. So now let's make that wagon. So paint one more sprite. Just like how we made the train, just draw the wheels only first. So I'm going to draw this wheel. Then gonna select it, copy, paste paste it. Just take it to the side here, paste it again, and then bring it here. Then select this fully and then copy it and paste it and keep it down. Okay. Now just duplicate this and keep any color you want. I'm going to keep red, so I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to choose one color, black, as outline, and I'm going to keep it 8. And draw one here also, and here. Now just duplicate this, and in this costume, just delete all of this till here, and then take this like this. Okay. And now just take any color for the windows. So I'm going to take yellow for the this window. So just need to draw some lines at this side. Don't draw it inside, then we won't be able to see the windows if we draw it inside. So I'm going to draw it outside like this. So 3 costumes are enough for the wagon. And now let's make it go 3D. So when green flag is clicked, it should change costume by 1, and then keep forever. Just repeat it for 5 times. And here the size of it is 50, so I'm going to change this also to 50. Okay, then it should make a clone of itself. So I'm scrolling down and taking this create clone of myself. Then it should move a little bit towards that side. So I'm going to keep -1, so it will slowly move that side, just like we did in this engine. And this by 1, I'm going to keep 1 here. That's how I kept it in this place, the engine. So it's coming like that. And now just duplicate this. It should be 2. So it's coming. So let's see. So this wagon is coming like that. And now just duplicate this. And then it should be 3 here. It should not be 5. If we keep it 5, the engine and this wagon will be very smaller than the engine. So I'm going to keep it 10 or any other number. So now let's see. It's the same size as this thing. Okay. Now one more thing we need to do. Just draw one line from here. Just take black and draw a line like this, so that it would look like that the wagon is connected towards the engine. So now let me set its position. So I'm gonna just spin it like this and spin it a little bit more, like this much. And then I'm going to make this engine show. Then just keep this one and then go scroll up here like that. Just go up and then just click here. Okay, so this would be easy to know where this engine should be connected. So we'll get it easily to fit this thing. So the position is right now 150, the direction. So keep it up here and then it should go to this position. And now let's see. And This is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna increase this more like 20 or number. Okay, and maybe 30 is okay, I think. Let me see it. Okay, 30 is okay. Now, just like this train moving like this, just take this and keep it here. So it will go same as this engine like this. And also one more thing, this thing is staying here because I said like that if we show it there, it would be like that. So same here, it should hide here. So I'm going to hide here, and also don't forget to keep show at the beginning here. And now let's see. And now it's working. If you want one more wagon, you can just duplicate this and then just keep the position of this wagon here. Just click here, and then I'm gonna show this one, and then I'm just changing its position like this, and then I'll keep it here. So I'm gonna remove this block, and here I'm gonna keep minus 147, which is down here I kept, and then keep this go to block, so we go to that place. And now let's see, and that's it.